The simplest kind of polynomial division is when we want to divide one monomial by another monomial. For the sake of an example, let's look at 39 x to the 7th, y to the 6th, divided by negative 52 x to the 8th, y to the 3rd. When dividing a monomial by another monomial, it's oftentimes easiest to consider each part of the monomial against its denominator counterpart. So when we look at this, we're going to look at these two together, these two together, and these two together. And we're going to use our normal rules for simplification in order to do each one of those divisions. 39 and 52 are both divisible by 13. We can simplify that portion of the monomial by rewriting it as negative 3/4, dividing both parts by 13. Looking at x to the 7th over x to the 8th, our normal rule for exponent simplification applies, and we can just subtract the exponents and write it as x to the negative 1. Same thing for y to the 6th over y to the 3rd. Subtracting the exponents gives us y to the 3rd. Generally speaking, we do not want to give a response in a monomial divided by monomial situation that has a negative exponent in it. As a reminder, remember that negative exponents are simply just repeated division, so we'll move the x to the denominator and join the 4, while the y to the 3rd remains in the numerator with the negative 3.